So before we begin, I just want to say that I'll be sharing a lot of different case studies as well as different projects based on the different kind of mechanisms and protocols I want to recommend, or what kind of solutions that could be in place. That being said, this is not financial advice. These are just ways you can implement your different protocols or mechanisms to resolve this issue on non-financial incentives. At the same time, for every project, for every solution, there is both a benefit and cost to it. So you really want to weigh your choices. And at the end of the day, there is no perfect solution. It's really based on the problems that you're looking for, as well as the objective you want to achieve. So let's get started. Today this is the little session that we're going to be talking about. We're going to start with human glossary. Then we're going to move on to understanding what non-financial incentives are. Then we're going to start with allocation mechanism, which is the automated part of the system design. And then we have voting mechanism or voting protocol, which is the non-automated part. And I'm going to summarize them in a little summary solution table where you have the problems, what are the possible solutions that you can implement to solve that. So by the end of this session, you should be able to understand why non-financial incentives are important, how this could relate to token or non-token ecosystems. So some systems like permissioned ecosystems or where you have a consortium, you probably don't need a token for your ecosystem. Maybe you're just using it as a distributed ledger or a database to account for things. That being said, there are other incentives that can be in place without tokens involved or without this kind of specific tokens involved. So we're also going to be going through some examples and use cases for each solution. And then the solution table is really to help get you started on deciding what kind of mechanisms and protocols to implement, and then also how to implement them.